Alright, hey everyone, welcome to BMC Breaks. Today we'll be breaking 10 boxes of Topps UEFA Japan Edition. I believe paper does not ship, paper vets do not ship. I forgot if it said paper rookies or not, but either way, paper vets do not ship. And yeah, please check us out on BMC Collectibles on Instagram. It's on the bottom left. Usually Chris is the breaker, but I'm Ben, and I'll be occasionally stepping in once in a while to do breaks. Yeah, good luck everybody. Here we go. I will try to speed it up. I've seen a couple of these breaks and it is a lot of paper, so I'll try and speed it up by just shuffling through all the paper, but 10 boxes is a lot. We did a giveaway of 3 boxes and that already took, a good bit of time to break just 3 boxes, so I think, you'll probably appreciate if we don't take forever on the paper. I think the paper rookies are worth a little bit. I honestly forgot if it said we were going to ship paper rookies, but I think it might be the better thing to do is ship paper. Okay. Novice Ben. Alright, I may have made some of these backwards. Alright, let's just start at a random middle point. Okay, so alright. Right, so some of them are going to be backwards. So the rookies I think will ship. The paper vets, that's what we will try and keep away from. Very nice. Mengi green for Man U. 26 of 99. There we go. I'll keep I have a bunch of stands. I'll try and I'll keep a stack of the hits to go over. Okay. Musiala. Nice Jude. Also, working on fixing the lighting. I know the glare is not quite as good as it should be. All right. Ooh, nice. Serginho. Oh, why is that? Oh. Ooh. All right. So. And Mitchell Bakker, blue, 11 of 75. Nice. Not the PSG you want to see, but not bad. There you go, PSG. And being the derp I am, I think these are backwards. Yeah, I joined a couple of these breaks, and I have these like huge bricks of paper cards. I'm like too lazy to even go through. So, yeah. Oh, no worries, CB. It's been a while. I thought maybe I missed it, but thank you for that, and I hope you're feeling okay. COVID's kind of scary. A lot of people have it right now, so. Stay safe. Hee-Chen Huang to 125. I think that's a pink. Leipzig. There you go. Wow, this box had 4 mojos, 3 numbers. That's pretty cool. And Kai Havertz. Nice one there. That's our last mojo of the box. So 4 mojos in the first box. Usually it's like less, or it can be less. All right, that's box 1 in the books. Box 2, here we go. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out the back. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so this, okay, it's oriented funny. So they're all backwards. Any autos? No, I don't think there's a chance for autos, but there's like 2 or 3 numbered cards for most boxes, and I think that makes it pretty solid value, which is pretty cool. So this is all paper. I'm gonna go through that real quick first. I'm just gonna shuffle through the paper. I think there's some value in the paper rookies, at least some of the top rookies, maybe a little bit of value. So I think we're gonna ship those, but the vet base we're not gonna ship. All right, here we go. 2 mojos coming right up. First one, Liverpool. Who the heck? Oh, oh my goodness. So I bought Liverpool in a lot of breaks. I have so many of this guy. For some reason, Curtis Jones just refuses to come out for me. 7 of 125. Nice one for Liverpool. And Malong Sar. Green, teal. He's the next Kepa. Oh my goodness. 74 of 199. Porto. I think that was in all others. All right, and we got one more mojo, middle of that stack. Goodness, this is a lot of cards. Good for Chris. He did a lot of these breaks. Griezmann, mojo. Barcelona. Holland. All right, that was box 2. Box 3. I saw a couple. There's definitely reds. I think there's 1 of 1s, and there's oranges, golds, but yeah, they're gonna be kind of hard to hit. So it's sort of not surprising that for the most part, you're gonna see a lot of like 99s and stuff. I think that's what they did to Topps Chrome this year as well. A lot of the parallels, it's like really, really hard to get a low number parallel nowadays. So hopefully we see one, but you end up with a lot of like the teals, the aquas, the pinks. Yeah, oh yeah, that 1 of 5 Noah Lang. Yeah. I actually have that. I forgot about that. Thanks for the reminder. That's a good one. All right, here we go. If you guys want me to slow down on the paper, I can do that. But typically, I think when I watch these myself, I feel like there's just way too much paper. So I'm trying to go through it a little bit faster. Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you, All American. That card is awesome. Ooh. Barcelona, Trincao. Nice. Pink 79 of 125. Paper. All right, two mojo coming. Good luck. Yeah, I was watching the Donruss breaks, and people just grab the entire stack of paper and put it aside into one lot, which I think is pretty awesome. Like even then, I think it's still kind of slow sometimes. But yeah, the truth is like a lot of the paper just isn't worth anything, likely will not be. Larouci, Liverpool. The Curtis Jones parallels are SPs. $105 of $199. One more mojo. If I feel a team, I'll rip it up. Ronaldo. Ooh, oh, that's the regular mojo. I thought it was numbered. Ansu Fati, Mr. Knees. Oh, that just reminded me. I gotta. Really, I sold a bunch of Judes for $10. It was like a lot of Judes. I think I sold it for actually like $10. I put it best offer for $15 and no one wanted it, so I think I ended up taking a $10 offer for like 6 to 10 Judes, something like that. And that's Jude, so I can imagine like most of the other guys are probably worth very little. Yeah, when in doubt, sacrifice a Timo and see where it goes. That was amazing. Really can't. The rest of us can only hope to have a moment like that. Ripping a Timo in half and then seeing. I'll save like a Timo slab for when we break next year's World Cup. So there's likely going to be stuff like Eminence. We'll save a Timo slab to sacrifice when if it's not looking good in a case of Eminence or something. We'll sacrifice a 1-of-1 Timo and then see where that takes us. All right, box 2. That's a thick chunk of paper with 2 parallels at the end. Ooh, that's an orange. So, all right, I'm gonna shuffle through the paper stack really quickly. Oh, I haven't updated the... Yeah, I actually haven't updated that in like straight forever. Thanks for letting me know. It's been a long time since I've really messed with the YouTube much. So, yeah, it was just a busy second half of last year. But, you know, I'm glad Chris was able to... Traore to 199. Chris was able to continue breaking. And that was good. For Ajax, 11 of 199 Traore. Yeah. All right, I'll get to work on that. 11 of 199. I will prepare a Timo slab for Chris to burn if it gets us something good. So there's an orange there, and let's see what we got here. This is the Mojo. Good Lord, not this guy again. Whoever got Liverpool, you're gonna have. Nasty Nat. You're going to have the same collection I have. That's the base Mojo. You can only buy so much Liverpool before you're just like, where the heck is the Curtis Jones? Alright, good luck. Orange. That was Adams. Alright. Okay. The rookie. Well, for Olympique Marseille, 1 of 25. First off the line, rookie. Coletakar. Orange isn't orange isn't orange. 1 of 25, first off the line. I guess we'll put that on the side. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're a little bit. We haven't got halfway yet. So hopefully the big rookie chases start popping up now. It's okay. That's what the second half is for. We're not halfway through yet. There's a red. See that smidge of red? They have a red coming, so hopefully that's something good. Good luck. Yeah, you see that red? Ooh, here we go. Please be something good. All right. Ooh. Shabosalai. I can't pronounce this correctly. Green Dominic. 87 of 99. Nice. There you go. Salzburg. Green Dominic. I'm gonna call him Dominic. That's pretty cool. Who got Salzburg? And Nat. Okay. I think I've seen a 1 of 1 before. I might be tripping though. I thought there was a superfractor that comes out of these. To be fair, I mean they're really rare and not like a ton of this stuff is being consumed. So it is very possible that the superfractor just didn't come out yet. All right, the red is the bottom one. Yeah, I also don't have the bells and whistles Chris has. His stream is awesome. I'll ask him for some advice. Oh, nice. Leo Messi. Mojo. On how to do that. He's got some pretty cool stream bells and whistles. Alright. Alright, good luck. The red is coming. Hopefully something good. Paper. Yeah, Shabosa. I've asked so many times how to pronounce it. I'm just gonna call him Dominic. All right, here we go. Let's see what the team is. Oh, I think I already. Whoops. I already know who it is. We see the top of the name. You probably also know who it is. Barcelona. 5 of 5. Last off the line. Griezmann. Congratulations, Barcelona. 5 of 5. Red is a red is a red. Would have been nice to see one of the rookies, but again, a red is a red is a red. Hopefully that brings some value. There you go. All right, we are halfway. Other half left. That name is impossible to pronounce. I've actually listened to it and I still can't pronounce it. I've listened to other people pronounce it correctly and I still can't pronounce it correctly. Alright, let's see some big rookie mojos. Otherwise, we'll get Chris on to sacrifice the Timo. Alright, so one mojo here and a load of paper base. Leipzig of 99. Haidara. Amadou Haidara. Green. Nice one, Leipzig. 10 of 99. Okay, this is a lot of paper. This is an entire stack of paper. In fact, I'll shuffle through it quickly. Ooh, our boy. All right, 2 Mojos coming. Here we go. Oh yeah, that was a long time. That was actually with Baba Breaks, if you remember him. I missed that guy. That was fun. Ooh, there we go. That's pretty cool. Leroy Sané, gold. Bayern, 21 of 50 gold, Leroy Sané. Or I think it's gold, but it's like kind of bronze looking because of the way the Mojo pattern looks on it. But that's pretty cool. Congrats, Bayern. Mr. Imus. Max really likes Sané, so maybe he's your buyer. Oh, wow. All the Bayern, not the right Bayern. Chris Richards. There you go. And paper for the rest of this box. All right. 4 more boxes to go. One thing I'm sure everyone else has noticed this too, but it seems like when you get one team's cards in this, you get a lot of that one team. It's kind of annoying. It means it's not that exciting once you see the teams. But I think this is from a couple cases of this product, and they came in 17 box cases. So I kind of shuffled them a little bit, hopefully to not get... Ooh. Oh, that was Timo Werner, but nope. Gold, Tino Anjorin, midfielder for Chelsea. So that we don't get all of the same team, but I don't know if that's working out. At least that's a gold. All right, 2 more Mojos incoming. First Mojo to 99. Stefan Savic, 75 of 99. Green, Atletico. Yeah, it was weird. 17. So then I just mixed them all up and then called it a day. Should have done a paper lot. That would have really sped this up a lot. Sergio Camelo, forward, Atletico. The Donruss way, where you just grab the paper stack, looks so satisfying. I haven't done any Donruss breaks, so I don't know what that feels like. But when I watch Chris do it, it definitely looks super satisfying. You get straight to the good stuff. don't do any of the, don't go through a ton of semi-worthless paper. Apparently the paper base sets actually sell for a little bit. So maybe there's some value to be made there. Yeah, next time, if we ever do more breaks of this, we'll do what's it called? A paper lot. I think that'll be nice. Do a Donruss. Chris is definitely Donruss god though. I can't top that. Chris will do more Donruss. I'm sure he'll do more Donruss. Still haven't pulled a Sun, so he's Sun auto. I'm sure he's dying to do more Donruss and see if he can pull one of those. EPL is coming out next week. I think it should be much cheaper than last year's EPL. Oh my, you gotta be kidding me. It's like the third Griezmann parallel. This one is a yellow to 150. But yeah, EPL should be coming out next week, and it should be much cheaper. Last year, EPL came out at 600 plus, I think, actually, for 150. So I apologize for anyone who bought it back then. I mean, I certainly bought some breaks back then too. But yeah, it's fallen a lot. So hopefully this year starts off cheap and stays that way. It'll be good for breaks. Like, if you think about how expensive to be fair, also last year's the autos went for an absolute ton when it first came out. Like Sun Auto was over 1K, so now it's fallen to a good like $100 or something, $150, $200 or something like that. So it's understandable that the price dropped. There's just a lot of Sun Autos, so it's a good thing for anyone who's collecting, I think. Kosunu, Bruges. It just looks really weird because it's so dark with the mojo pattern. His face kind of blends into the background. All right. For anyone coming in later, I noticed the viewer count goes up and down, so the video will be uploaded after if you missed part of the break. Savic, I don't know. Savage. I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, see, this is what I mean. There seems to be a lot of repeats. So I shuffled it as best I could to try and avoid. But yeah, it happens. One Juve parallel, yeah, rooting for you. Hopefully we get something. This has not been the strongest boxes for parallels. Some good ones, but lots of misses. So this last two, I'm praying come through for me, for everyone. Although, I mean, I will say one thing. I think the boxes are pretty. They're not that expensive, so it's not quite as bad as missing on, like, you know, say I don't know what's a more expensive product that people miss a lot on. It's not as bad as say missing on a bunch of Topps Chrome Hobby. All right, here we go. Mengi, Man U, another one. Yellow. This one is 38 of 150. Playa for Mönchengladbach, or Munchie Glute Sacks. Mojo? I'm running out of top loaders. I probably need to go grab a couple more. Munchie Glute Sacks. Okay, one more parallel in this box, and then we're on to the last one. Oh, Firmino, 10 of 50. Oh, that's okay. That's a goal one for Liverpool. Congrats, Liverpool. Firmino, 10 of 50. Nice. And then a bunch of paper. All right, last box. Again, thank you everyone for joining. If I didn't get you something, hopefully this last box is box dreams. But I appreciate everyone. I was filling in for Chris today, so thanks everyone for joining. Chris will be back next week for more breaks. Not totally sure what we're breaking next week, but I know EPL comes out at some point. Hopefully EPL by the end of the week is the hope. So stay tuned for that. Should have lots of good EPL breaks. And I do hope the price stays low. All right, last blob. We got 4 parallels, so hopefully that's a good sign. First one up, Donny van de Beek, Man U, 109 of 199. Nice one for Man U. Oh, shit. Hold on, I need to get a couple more top loaders. All right, here we go. This one is 109 of 199. So I'll go through that blob of paper. All right, 3 more mojos. Good luck. This will be the end of the break. Ooh, okay. Probably not who you wanted, but we'll take it forward. Alejandro Marquez for Juve. There's one for you. You'll get a lot of Japanese Ronaldos. However, just unfortunately paper. All right, Hee-chan Huang. Hee-chan Huang. Purple, pink, I can't colorblind. I think it's pink. Hee-chan Huang, 41 of 1. Is that the second Hee-chan Huang pink? I think it might be. Oh my goodness, it is. Graz Leipzig. Is that our favorite guy, Gregory Beavis? It is. There you go, Beavis. 41 of 125 and 93 of 125. Corner that market. Our last parallel for Marseille. Blue, Marley Ake. 47 of 75. I believe that's all others. There we go. Marley Ake. And then a bunch of paper. I think we'll ship, yeah, the paper rookie base I think makes sense to ship. The vet base, not so much. So you should get a blob of paper rookies in the mail if you join the break. But All right, I'll quickly go over the hits. Sorry, I know that was not the best. We didn't have too many. We didn't have. Yeah, the rookies just did not pop out. So apologies for that. Hopefully next time we do this, it'll be a little bit better. I'll just shuffle through the hits real quick. In our wall, Dominic Green, 99. Coletta Carr, rookie, 1 of 25, orange. Leo Messi, Leroy Sané, 21 of 50, Leroy Sané. Tino Andrew in gold, 20 of 50, and a pair of Griezmanns, Antoine Griezmann, 4 of 150, and a red. Last off the line, 5 of 5, Antoine Griezmann. Okay, thanks guys. Everything should ship within the next couple days. You'll get tracking, and I appreciate it very much. Again, regular scheduled programming. Chris will be back next week. So thanks guys. I'll see y'all later. Have a good night.